Hello coders, in this video we will see the next question from our LeetCode 75 list. Let me take in the screen and here. This is the next question which is keys and room. This is the first question from our graph DFS list and let's see what is the question. The question says there are n rooms labeled from 0 to n minus 1 and all the rooms are locked except for room 0. Your goal is to visit all the rooms. However, you cannot enter a locked room without having its key. When you visit a room, you may find a set of distinct keys in it. Each key has a number on it denoting which room it unlocks, and you can take all of them with you to unlock the other rooms. Given an array of rooms, basically rooms they have given, and I means ith room, and rooms I means the keys in that room, and we have a key of zeroth room. So okay, that's the question. Now we will, what we have to do here, key we have zero, we have key 0, we will enter in zeroth room and the keys in that room we will take, and based on that keys we will enter in that room, and we will collect keys from that room, and we'll continue this process until we visit all the rooms. And if we visit all the rooms we will need to return true, and if we can't visit all room then we will return false. That's the question. So yeah, it is a DFS that after reading the question you got the idea, right? We are taking one room, we are visiting one room, then we are taking the keys, then again uh, we are taking the key from that room and going to that room which key we took, and then again repeating the same process. As we are repeating the same thing again and again, it is recursion, and we are we can do this using recursion, and we can do this using iterative also, but we in this video we will do it using recursion. So we'll solve first example and then we'll code. They have given that rooms is equals to this, these are the rooms. Now we have a key of 0th room, we have key of 0th room, we will enter in that room and we will get the key, that is key of this is 0th room, right? Let me write first that it is 0 1 2 and 3. Okay, these are the rooms and we have 0 key of 0th room. We will enter in that room and we will take key 1, and as we have entered in that room we will maintain one visiting vector that will say ki these are the visited rooms and all. We have 4 rooms, so we can see we have 3 rooms, sorry we can say we have 3 rooms here only. We have 0 to n minus 1, so if we say 4 rooms it will be like 0 to n minus 1 rooms only, so we have only 3 rooms, 0 1 2 3. Or we can say okay, we have 4 rooms but it starts from 0, so we have 0 1 2 3 these rooms, and we have 0 key, we will enter in 0th room and we will mark it as visited. And when I went to that room I have key 1, so I'll take that key and I'll enter in one room number 1, and as soon as I enter in room number 1 I'll mark it as visited. Then I'll take the key from that room which is 2, and then I'll visit in room 2. Here this is the room that 2, and I'll mark that I have visited 2 room now, and then I have key 3, so I'll visit in room 3, and as I'm visiting it I'll mark it 1. Now after doing all this thing I'll check key if I have visited all the rooms or not. And how I will check that, I'll check this vector only, and I will say ki if this is equals to n, sorry okay, I will not count it, I'll check it, I'll traverse it and I'll check ki it is there any room which is marked 0. Basically if I am visiting it I am marking it as 1, so if it is marked 0 so it means I'm unvisited it, and I'll return 0 and I'll return false, else I'll return 1. Okay, so that's all about this, and let's code it. How we will code it, like how I explained it, will code likewise only. We'll take int key is equals to 0. I have 0 key. I'll take a vector which will maintain key do we have visited that room or not. So I'll name it as visited rooms. Before that, I need how many rooms are there, so I'll take n is equals to rooms dot size. I have this much rooms. Then I have visited rooms. I have 0 visited rooms right now. I'll do DFS traversal and I'll say ki I have this key, enter to that room. I'll pass these rooms, enter to that room, and then visit that room and come back again. Okay, and after that what I will do ki I'll take uh, elements from visiting vector and I'll say ki if this is unvisited, which means I is equals to 0, then return false. Otherwise, if I have visited all, it means only, then I'll return true. Okay, so yeah, we have to do DFS traversal. So I'll say ki void DFS int key, and then I have rooms, so I have to take this, and I have visited rooms, which are these. I have to take this. Okay, let's see, and yeah, so yeah, these are the visiting vectors. I have visited that room, so I'll say ki I visited this room. Visited vector key is equals to 1, that I visited it. Now I have to go to room whose key I have right now, which is here key. So what I will do ki I'll say ki I'm getting the new key from uh, room room's key. Basically we opened that room here and we took the new key, and I'll first check if that room previously visited or not. If that room previously unvisited, then then I'll go. Otherwise there is no point to go here, because if I already visited it, it can be possible that room 1 has the key of room 3rd and room 1 has key of uh, 2nd also, and then when I enter the same second room, and second room also have the room key of 3rd room, so I don't want to visit the same room again and again. So, and if I visit that room and again I have to take the keys of that room and again I have to visit all the rooms, so this will continue, and it may go in it can be go in infinite loop. So we'll record this and we will say ki if that room isn't visited, then and then only I will go in that room. Otherwise I won't go. Basically, if that room isn't visited, then repeat the same process, that go to that room with that new key, go to that room, and then uh, visit that room and repeat the same procedure again. And yeah, so basically we will do this and let's submit this code. And it is accepted. So yeah, what the space complexity for this? Space complexity for this is as just we are doing recursion and we use this, so big of n plus big of h, which is big of n only. And time complexity for this, as we are visiting room only once, so time complexity is equals to 1 only. So I mean time complexity is equals to n only. So yeah, this was the question, and we'll meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.